Hello, Professor. I am Huỳnh Lam Trường, Master Student, Department of Chemistry. I present a seminar on article Ruthenium drop indium phosphate of quantum dot for efficiently breast emission with the main for content overview scientists and analysts optical professor emission medical and application and conclusion. This slide introduce a paper from applied nano material about uh, ru- ruthenium dust, indium phosphate, quantum dust that show a better rest emission by adding ruthenium. The quantum dust have higher PL with I photoluminum excited quantum yellow nano emissions and the strong resist about 345 mega electron volts. The improved indium phosphate plus side of plus Zenith sulfur ruthenium dust quantum dots work better than upon sample, and when used in less, they rest and determine a quantum efficiency of 7.9%. This shows that dropping is very effective effect information on rest emission interim button dot or contains one of a with quantum dots are very small uh, semiconductor particle only a few nanometer inside. Because of their small size, they can emit bright light that change color depending on their size. They have a strong emission, high efficiency, and are small enough to use in many devices and biological system. Their proprietary quantum dots useful for display, lighting, solar cell, and medical applications like imaging. Uh, Quantum dots work through four main steps. First, an electron spotlight and move to the condition pane lay a horn behind. Second, the electron and hole from an instant. Third, because the quantum dot is very small, the band gap depends on size. Small emit blue light and brightest dots emit red light finally. When the electron return to the horn, it results light. This process is called polymorphism. Tapping is quantum dots mean addition tr- resistance metal ion the signal. This change the optical uh, property without damaging the structure. Tapping create new energy level, improve reality recombination, and remove sulfide. Uh, just that reduce apply this often called research in the emission. This slide compares three types of quantum dots core material: cadmium quantum dots, April burst, toxic genesis spec quantum dots are cell burst have low quantum yield and with this rest emission. Indium fast quantum dots are the best choice because they are self environmentally friendly and can emit from low to deep breath. They especially because much better with a Genesis cell or tapping. Recently, students saw that tapping indium phosphate quantum dot with the metal like copper, manganese, and silver can improve their optical property or destroy ruthenium because it has flexible or discernible state and can create new energy level in the pancake rule environment uh, relative recombination and photoluminescence is also wise due a catalyst and up the colonist making it a good depend. This slide shows the final thrust of or ruthenium doping indium phosphate plastinate sulfide quantum dots we met in indium phosphate core as deuterium in emerald um, recombination and cause is the with the genesis to remove sulfide defeat and improve safety. This design give a high PLV up 70 0.6 percent and strongest emission around 630 and 660 nanometer. The high external quantum efficiency up 7.9%, so that the trust was well. And two content scientists and analysts. This slide explains how ruthenium dots, indium phosphate quantum dots, are manifest indium phosphate called the product by hot intelligence. Then ruthenium is added by heating with ruthenium as Atlas finally Zenith style is formed by imaging Zenith and sulfur processor at high temperature. This the product the final ruthenium uh, indium phosphate Zenith quantum dots. Uh, this slide shows the size and shape of in, indium phosphate, ruthenium indium phosphate, and plutonium indium phosphate over Zenith sulfur quantum dots. Term is made so indium phosphate top 2.82 nanometer and after ruthenium dots they increase slide to 2.94 nanometer, mean ruthenium inside the core with the genesis cell the size pro to 5.83 nanometer, and this mapping comprise infrared and ruthenium in the quantum dots. The dots remain in uniform and symmetrical. This slide show the is already pattern on sample hair proteins typical from small nanoparticle after ruthenium doping. The pitch shift to flower angel, meaning the lattice expand after zenith cutting the pitch shift path so that the zenith shift from correctly. Their research confirmed successful prototyping and uh, Zenith cell and the three contain photolytic processor and its mission mechanics. This slide shows the optical implied blue tapping PLVI is free from 1.8% to 26.7%, and the emission assists about 310 mega electron volt as the best plutonium indium radio of 0.005 ruthenium doping give higher efficiency and typical emission. This slide shows how Zenith style cutting time as the PLVI. The PLVI is very widely and research uh, 77.6% and 30 minutes longer cutting term call stand and reduce PLVI to below 50%. The price performance depend on the reducing the ruthenium and indium radio and the optimizing cell time. This slide shows the PL spectra for yellow and orange indium perfect core after ruthenium doping. They are strongly to the press by 200 um, 17 and 375 mega electron volt ruthenium mass control to emission color, while the Genesis in PLVI and satellite color. Uh, this slide compare achievement. Plasma unknown indium perfect has slower decay and longer lifetime. Ruthenium dot indium perfect so faster decay, meaning a shorter lifetime. This provides that appropriate a small efficient range pathway this in PLVI. This like convey uppers and rules stopping in the perfect using train equation. The plutonium depth sample show a much strong and clearly cynical. This means ruthenium create a my gap stay in the William perfect with a change in improve the emission behavior. And final or content application and closure. This slide show how the optimized ruthenium indium perfectionist quantum dots are used in a rest and the quantum dots are mixed in a server pass into PMMS land and play a blue place. How about for 160 nanometers? The blue line is in the quantum dot with a mixed bright red line. This provide that the Rotterdam dot quantum dot was well improved defined. This slide shows the main result on the quantum less. The last result as the EQA of 7.9% and has very good stability with a T 15 lighty on up 1400 32 33 hour much longer. That's upon quantum dots 461 hour. The genesis cell reduced sulfide deficit and in 3 PLVA to 77.6%, which explain the strong performance. This is reference. And thank you, Rester and Brent, for attention.